Close the camps. That is the battle cry tonight of those protesting the treatment of migrants along our southern border.
That's right. Many are demanding that detention centers be shut down completely. KCAL9's Chris Holmstrom joins us now in studio with what we have learned about the conditions at those centers. Chris?
Yeah, this is being described as a human rights crisis, specifically at facilities where migrant children are being held. In fact, one senior manager at one facility called the situation a ticking time bomb. In Pasadena and Los Angeles today, protests against migrant detention centers. Hugo Sains came with his son.
They scream for their mommies, and there's no mommies to be around. Children need to be held, they need to be comforted, and what they're going through is just evil.
From LA to DC, demonstrations were held across the country. The demonstrators hit the streets just one day after Congressman Joaquin Castro shot cell phone video inside one center. He says some migrants have been denied medication and showers.
We saw that the system is still broken.
Then there were these images released in a new Inspector General report. It warns of dangerous conditions and overcrowding at border detention facilities in Texas. The report says in one case, more than 50 women were crammed into a cell designed to hold 40 boys. In another case, 71 men were packed inside a cell built for 41 people. The report went on to say, "We are concerned that overcrowding and prolonged detention represent an immediate risk to the health and safety of DHS agents and officers and to those detained." Members of Congress visited two Border Patrol facilities in Texas Monday after the reports of deteriorating and unsanitary conditions.
Sir, thank you. Pleasure meeting.
Texas Senator Ted Cruz was one of them.
The responsibility for this crisis lies directly on the United States Congress.
The U.S. Customs and Border Protection Deputy Commissioner Robert Perez also speaking out.
I am very confident in what it is that we are doing by way of caring for these individuals, these incredibly vulnerable populations in our custody, again, in absolutely overly saturated conditions.
Others, though, aren't quite as confident.
I believe that we should have resource centers that are taking in refugees, migrants, that are operated by nonprofits.
And President Trump also mentioned there would be deportations after the 4th of July holiday, but he did not say exactly when those apprehensions would start. But definitely a lot of concern for these deportations and, of course, these migrant detention centers as well. Susie, back to you.
Thank you, Chris.